I've been exploring the MLB Ballpark app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Ballpark app. MLB Ballpark app is your all-in-one mobile companion designed to elevate your experience when attending Major League Baseball games in person. It helps you manage and access your digital tickets securely, plan your visit with detailed ballpark information, and stay updated with real-time alerts throughout the game day. Now, moving on to the features. With MLB Ballpark, you can securely store your digital tickets with fraud-resistant rotating barcodes for smooth and quick entry. The app lets you manage tickets for multiple MLB teams in one place and easily share tickets with friends or family, complete with instant transfer confirmations. You can browse the full season schedule to find games with special promotions, giveaways, or themed events. Detailed interactive maps show you where to find your seats, food and beverage options, merchandise, restrooms, and all the amenities at the ballpark. The app also provides essential info such as gate opening times, parking details, and bag policies to make your arrival hassle-free. When you enable push notifications, you get real-time updates about gate openings, weather alerts, concession deals, and other time-sensitive information. Plus, it tracks your fan history, letting you relive your ballpark visits with scores, dates, and personal highlights. Some teams also offer mobile check-in for offers, rewards, and social media clubhouse features. Speaking from my personal experience, I found the MLB Ballpark app to be a genuine game day helper. Having my tickets securely stored on my phone meant no fumbling through paper or email at the gate, which made entry much faster and less stressful. The interactive maps really helped me navigate unfamiliar ballparks, and I appreciated getting timely notifications about gate openings and food deals right when I needed them. Browsing upcoming games with promotions made planning outings with friends easier. I even enjoyed looking back at my visit history. It's a nice touch that adds a bit of nostalgia to the experience. Occasionally, some features like mobile food ordering weren't available at all stadiums, and the app can feel a bit cluttered with information if you're just after tickets. But overall, it kept me connected and prepared for game day. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the MLB Ballpark app requires you to have an MLB account and depends on your team's participation for some features, so experiences vary by ballpark. Sometimes ticket loading or barcode scanning can be slow due to network issues in busy stadiums. The app includes ads, and if you're not familiar with its full range of features, it can feel overwhelming to navigate everything at first. Also, some users report occasional glitches with ticket transfers or mobile check-in. While it consolidates many functions into one place, improvements in speed and interface simplicity could enhance usability. Overall, the MLB Ballpark app is a valuable tool for baseball fans attending games, streamlining ticket management, and providing helpful game day info to make your visit smoother and more enjoyable. It truly complements the live baseball experience, especially if you regularly attend games across different stadiums. Just be mindful of varying team support and minor technical hiccups as it continues to evolve. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.